Hey, I'm Chris from iGUIDE, and I'm here with the iGUIDE PLANIX R1 camera system so that I can give you a demonstration of what it looks like and how easy it is to shoot essentially an entire property from start to finish.
Overall, shooting in iGUIDE is very simple. Carry the camera to every space, scan that space, and make sure you've got what you need before you leave. The camera captures 360-degree images and LIDAR measurement data at the same time, and you get to see them in real time. The overarching goal of any iGUIDE shoot is to capture the entire property to create accurate floor plans and a comprehensive 3D tour. You can achieve this by monitoring what you've captured in real time. The app will show you what you're capturing. As you collect more data, it will start to resemble a floor plan and give you a good sense of what the tour will look like when it's published. Any feature in 3D space can be tagged for reference later while shooting. They are useful for highlighting important features, or in this case, a defect. Two-shot mode allows the user to capture twice and automatically remove themselves from the final image. Data is automatically aligned from one scan to the next as long as line of sight is maintained between scans. There are notifications if alignment fails. You're never forced to retake a scan and can easily set and correct alignment manually. Even small spaces need to be scanned. Powder rooms are a great example because although they're not large, they are very important to understanding a property.